Hey there, it is Simon here, and we are going to look at Fire by Bruce Springsteen today. I'll see you in a second. Bye for now. Hey there, thanks so much for watching. Before we kick it off, do subscribe and click the bell for 2 lessons every single week, a short one and today's Saturday longer one. Now, I was doing some lessons the other day and somebody asked to learn Fire by Bruce Springsteen. And I was like, cool, I know I'm on Fire by Bruce Springsteen, but no, this is a different song. I love it when I discover a new tune by somebody who I really like. And so here we go, Bruce Springsteen. If you ever have the chance to go and see Bruce Springsteen live, by the way, really go and do that because it's a mind-blowing experience. Now, cool things to learn in this tune. If you're pretty new to sort of trying to play bar chords and stuff, it'll give you a bit of practice playing little power chords. And it's a good sort of rhythmic exercise. The pattern in most of the riff is like this 2-bar pattern, which we're going to talk about. And I'm going to put the tabs on the screen. So, we're going to start here with the G5. You could just start with a regular G major. But then obviously makes it going to the A a little bit trickier. But, you know, you can do both. I'm sure Bruce won't mind. So, we've got a G and a D. That's the 1st and 5th of G major. So that's why it's called a G5, or you get it's called a power chord, or whatever. Okay, so that's the first bar. So we're going to hit the 1, and then we're going to wait until the and after the 2, and hit a G again. So you get 1 and 2 and then just lift your first finger to expose the low E underneath, and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so you've got 1 and 2 and then 3 and then 4. That's the first bar. So let's practice that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it basically holds, and then on the half beat after the 1, on the and after the 1 in the second bar, you start the second half of the riff, if you like. So you get this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right? So it's, so you're going to go and 3 and 4. So when you put the whole thing together, you get this. So with the muting, what you need to do is basically use that part of your hand, the sort of fleshy bit there, and just touch it over the top. See here, over the top of the saddles, and then you can still hear the note ring, but obviously it depends how much you bring it over the top of the string, right? Nothing, a little bit more, little bit more, little bit more. Now it's obviously as soon as you're behind the saddle, then you're just not going to do anything, right? So you can hear that if I just hit it, and then that's quite a good way of finding out where the spot is. So just hit the things and then push your hand onto the strings until you hear the right sound. Okay, so you get 2 riffs to kick off the song, just intro. And then the song starts, and he plays 2 lots more of riff of G. Then he does the same riff, but just at A5. The chord underneath there is A minor, and then it goes back to G major. Okay? Then A. G. A. G. Make sense? And then we've got just a little sort of chorusy pickup sort of thing, and all I'm playing there is the triad of a A-shaped bar chord. So you could use your 3rd finger, something like that, or you could play to keep it kind of on the low down mutiness. So I'm just playing a C5, D5. Or if you're not comfortable doing that, D major, C major, D major. Then back into G. Okay, cool. Now, what happens in terms of the form of the song? You get the intro, you get the verse, then you get that CD part, and then it loops all the way around and plays 4 bars of the riff. So it's basically 2 riffs. And then we've got G again, and then A minor again, G again, all the way through the verse. And then there are another 2 riffs, and then it hits a bridge. So all that's happening there is we've got a C, 1, 2, 3, G, D, G, C, G, A major, D. Right? So you could just play quavers there or 8th notes. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. Oops. 4 and 1, I don't know what happened there. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back into riff. And that is how you play the rhythm guitar in Fire by Bruce Springsteen. Now, there's also some leady bits, which I haven't totally figured out, but I reckon you could probably figure out if you're... So the first one is G, and then it bends an A to a B. Yeah? G, bend A to B on the 2nd fret of the G string, and then the top string in. So, and then it goes. So, play that one, bend up, open G. Then, how's it go? Oh, that's right. Doing this off the top of my head probably isn't that smart, bearing in mind people watch it on YouTube, but I'm pretty sure it's right. And then, right? So that's the kind of 4 bits. It's a pretty simple affair in sort of G major, E minor pentatonic. Anyway, I hope this lesson has helped. If you have any questions, please just ask in the comments. Please check out another video. I've got a bunch of other Bruce Springsteen videos if that's what you're interested in. Plus, I don't know, coming up to 600 different lessons, so I'm sure there's something for you. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and get the charts and all that kind of stuff. Just go to patreon.com/Simon Morel. I will see you next time. Bye for now.